Well, it's another day and another week coming from the DC area, and today we're going back home, back to Jacksonville, Florida, and we're taking 69846. And if you guys would like, come on, fly along.
Columbia 8 Alpha Pop, Diamond 1 Charlie Alpha, and Twin Cessna 846. There's no departures down at the full length, so you won't have any wake turbulence issues. If you want any intersection departures, just let me know.
846, we'll go to it then. And we got to send the flight plan to the Garmin here. And that's how we send it over using the flight stream 210. Uses Bluetooth connection.
Columbia 8 Alpha Papa, when you're ready for departure, contact Tower 127.45. We'll see you.
You load the flight plan into four flight.
Diamond 1 Charlie Alpha, when you're ready to go, Tower's on 127.45.
And there's a button to push. Comes over to
846, when you're ready to go, contact Tower 127.45. Enjoy your trip to Florida.
127.45, when ready, 69846. Thanks for the help.
Ground United 1910, spot 2 with Papa.
And let's see if we can pull it up here.
1910 Raleigh ground, all right.
There it is, to Juliet.
Runway 5 left, you can taxi.
And we're going to activate that. That's our flight plan for you.
United 1910 for 5 left.
And our restriction is for 2000.
66 is on Charlie for Charlie 1.
Oh, 1666 Raleigh ground, good afternoon. Straight ahead on Charlie, turn left at Foxtrot and taxi ramp.
Straight ahead on Charlie, turn left at Foxtrot to the ramp, Delta 1666.
3022.
Delta 1666 on the way, you can contact the ramp control. Have a nice afternoon.
All right, we'll do that. You do the same, Delta 1666.
435, 435. All right, we still have our run-up to do. Right now, engines are looking good.
That is 1910. When you make the right turn at the end, just hold short of Bravo, and the tower is 127.45, 2745. He may put you out somewhere between the little guys off your right side there on Bravo.
1910.
Hey, we're not that little.
Okay.
November 1 Charlie Alpha, hold short of Bravo 2.
I don't know if he heard you.
Yeah, I don't either. Figures.
Raleigh Tower, Bonanza 915 Quebec, inbound, 5 right.
915 for Quebec, Raleigh Tower, runway 5 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 5 right, 915 for Quebec.
Endeavor 3463, contact ground point 9er.
Ground point 9, Endeavor 3463, good day.
Yeah, this is 69846. Do you want us to go Bravo 2 or toward the end?
You can hold right there.
We'll hold here.
November 248 Alpha Papa, Raleigh Tower, you ready?
Raleigh Tower.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and do our run up here.
248 Alpha Papa, Raleigh Tower, turn right heading 090, runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff.
Right turn 090, 5 left. Clear for takeoff.
Slow, bring up the power, look at the indicators as we're going. Our integrated gauges are here.
You're going to follow the United Airbus there, heading to your left.
846, follow United.
United 1910, you're going to follow the Diamond.
United 1910.
591 Charlie Alpha, Raleigh Tower, are you ready?
591 Charlie Alpha is ready.
591 Charlie Alpha, runway 5 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait. Runway 5 left. Charlie Alpha.
And back check. Alternator check. All good. Suction's good for the vacuum. Thing is free and clear.
Number 1 Charlie Alpha, fly runway heading, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, clear for takeoff. Steven Pilot 1 Charlie Alpha.
United 1910, runway 5 left, line up and wait.
I have a right wait, runway 5 left, United 1910.
And we're following the 737. Oh, actually that's the 320.
Made Alpha Papa, contact departure.
No departure. 24 Alpha.
Okay, one more check before we're ready to go here. And again, I use a flow coming up from the floor across the controls, then back across here, and looking and making sure that all of our instrumentation and settings are correct.
Number 1 Charlie Alpha, turn right heading 090.
Turn right heading 090, 1 Charlie Alpha.
Number 1 Charlie Alpha, squawk 4643.
Squawk 4643, 1 Charlie Alpha.
Number 1 Charlie Alpha, contact departure.
If you guys would look at the
Charlie Alpha.
United 1910, turn left heading 035, runway
United
5
flight.
left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 035, clear for takeoff, 5 left, United 1910.
Number 69846, caution jet blast, runway 5 left, line up and wait.
line up and wait, 5 left, 6946, caution. And we got Delta on the side here that's itching to go as well. We'll give her a few seconds to get down the runway.
November 9er 15 for Quebec, turn left at taxiway Charlie and contact ground point 9er.
Hey, left at Charlie, going to ground, 121.9 for Papa Quebec. Biscayne 504 with you, visual 5 right.
Biscayne 504, Raleigh Tower, runway 5 right, clear to land.
So land 5 right, Biscayne 5.
So we have wake turbulence that we have to be concerned about. She's going to take off at about 5,000 feet. We're going to try to get it up at about 1,800 feet to stay above it.
November 69846, caution, wake turbulence, clear for takeoff, turn right heading 090.
Clear for takeoff, 5 left, and 090 after takeoff, 69846.
United 1910, contact departure.
1910.
I'm taking a little more time than he gave me, but that's for safety. Airspeed is alive, engine's looking good, winds are calm. We just got to get out of this wake turbulence. And we're in rotation now at about 2,000 feet. And we're going to take her up here.
Yeah, I believe so. Stand by.
just to get above it.
I think they just worked out a little something for you. You can go in 2 minutes. Hold on.
Raleigh Tower, good afternoon. Southwest 6072, 10 miles south, 5 right.
Southwest 6072, Raleigh Tower, runway 5 right, clear to land.
Southwest 6072, clear to land, 5 right.
November 846 heading 090, contact departure.
090 over to departure, 6946.
Delta 2034, flight heading 035, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff.
And departure 276-946 with you, 090.
November 8 Alpha Papa, turn left now, turn right 9180. Right 180, 248 on Pop. 69846, Raleigh departure, radar contact.
846.
One Charlie Alpha, proceed on course to JNX. Proceed on course, 1 Charlie Alpha.
And I like that. We're at 2,000.
There's traffic, 12 o'clock and 6 miles northeastbound via port, 5,500 feet. Climb and maintain 5,000, 248 on Pop. 1 Charlie Alpha, can climb and maintain via port, 3,500 feet. Traffic's off the nose out of 4 for 4 for 5.
1 Charlie Alpha, climb and maintain 3,500. I'm not a student pilot. Could you repeat the remainder of that?
Just maintain via port 35.
Roger.
Thanks. United 1910, left heading about 29. Let's make it 250. 250 heading. Sorry for the late turn there. Traffic 1 o'clock, 6 southbound, level 8 higher on the other side. November 3 Papa, Raleigh, to center maintain 3,000 feet, that's for traffic. Mountain 988, turn 10 back to your right. Yeah, right, Mountain 980. And 1910, continue left turn direct guitar, you'll see the traffic here in a minute. November 2, Whiskey Bravo, airport 12 o'clock and about 6 miles. 2 Whiskey Bravo, to center maintain 3,000. 0 Alpha Golf, turn right, heading 180. 8 Alpha Papa, turn right, direct Sand Hills. Right, direct Sand Hills, 248 Alpha. 47 Alpha, contact tower on 127.45. Delta 2034, departure, radar contact afternoon. November 846, where are you guys looking to go today?
Going down to Florida.
Okay, what's the fix that they cleared you to first?
Sand Hills.
Alright, 46, right, heading 180, climb and maintain 4, let's go, 4,000.
180, 4,000, 6946.
Alpha Papa, what's your requested final?
6,000.
8 Alpha Papa, climb and maintain 6,000.
Climb maintain 6,000, 248 on Pop.
Delta 2034, left heading 320. 2 Whiskey Papa, contact, radar service terminated, squawk VFR for exchange approved. Two Tango Delta, turn 20 right.
20 right, 2 Tango Delta.
United 1910, climb and maintain 12,000. Washington Center's on 35-2. Have a pleasant day. Thanks, Delta 2034, climb and maintain 12,000. Blue line 22, proceed on course, traffic's off your left there, climbing out of 3 for 4. 0 Alpha Golf, heading 230, contact approach on 28.3. 9 Papa Romeo, contact approach on 120.35. 2 Tango Delta, where are you going direct to after that? 2 Tango Delta, where are you going direct to after that?
2 Tango Delta, we're going to Leverton.
Okay, you direct there?
Hey, firm, and you had us 20 right there.
Okay, turn right heading 270, 270, heading to be back direct here in a minute.
270, Tango Delta.
Delta 2034, direct guitar. 1 Charlie Alpha, radar service terminate, squawk VFR, frequency change approved, good day.
Squawk VFR, 1 Charlie Alpha.
846, turn right heading 230, traffic's just off the nose there, southbound 4,600 feet.
230, 4000, 6946.
American 1907, departure radar contact heading 320. 320 heading, sir. November 34, November, traffic's 1 o'clock, 6 southbound, level 3000.
Look at 34 number.
Mountain 988, where were you direct to before I gave you the turn?
Great, Greensboro.
Okay, back that for you here in a minute. November 249, contact Washington Center on 18.47.
Well, we're getting a scenic
November
route
294, contact Washington Center on 18.75.
around Raleigh today.
Delta 2034, contact Washington Center 135.2. Okay. November 846, you will see Diamond traffic there, 12 o'clock and about 4 southeastbound at 4,600 for southwestbound at 4,600 feet.
846 is looking. And 846, we got him on the meter, but not in sight.
Roger that, and Alvire on the other side of him. What's your requested final number, 846?
10,000.
Raleigh approach, Tower 70241.
American 1907, turn left heading 270. 6212 uniform, Raleigh approach, you call.
Raleigh approach is Tower 70241.
American 1907, left turn direct Qatar.
Here's the traffic that we have, but not in sight.
Tango Delta, turn 10 more to the right.
500 feet above.
Airspace out back direct for you here, less than 10 miles.
And should be just all right.
2 Tango Delta.
Uniform Raleigh approach, afternoon. November 846, the traffic's off your right there, no factor, 4,500 feet, climb and maintain 10,000, I'll direct the sand hills for you here in a minute.
10,000, 10,000, 6946.
American 1907, climb and maintain 12,000.
Still don't see it. Oh, there he is. But we're going up.
Mountain 988, proceed on course back to Greensboro.
Great, Greensboro, Mountain 988.
November 8 Alpha Papa, direct sand hills, if I didn't give it to you there.
8 Alpha Papa is direct sand hills.
November 6212, uniform Raleigh, did you call?
So at least for a few minutes, it's nice to get 1,500 feet per minute.
Feet, turn right heading 180.
We're back down to 900. Nice while it lasted.
November 8 Alpha Pop, contact Fayetteville approach 120.35.
120.35, 248 Alpha Pop.
November 1 uniform, where were you guys heading today? American 1907, contact Washington Center on 135.2. Mountain 988, traffic's 11 o'clock and 7 miles northeast, mountain at 10,000, descending to 7,073.
988,
846, proceed on course to Sand Hills, maintain 10,000.
Direct Sand Hills, 10,000, 6946.
Dock 05 Bravo, turn left now, heading of 140. You can plan to enter a left base for runway 32. You'll see the airport as you make the turn. It'll be 11 o'clock and 9 miles. Thanks. Continue left turn to 140, and you can plan a left base. I'll be heading for that here in just a minute. November 2 Tango Delta, proceed back on course. Back on course, direct climber 10, Tango Delta. Thanks for your help. November 846, contact. Fayetteville approach 120.35. Let them know you're climbing at 10,000.
120.35, 69846.
November 20 Delta radar service terminated. Squawk VFR for exchange approved. Flying Fayetteville approach.
And Fayetteville, Twin Cessna 69846 out of 6.5 for 10.
November 509, Papa Mike, Squawk 0220. Other comfortable say again?
Twin Cessna 6946 out of 6.7 for 10,000.
November 69846, Fayetteville approach, live and clear, altimeter 3023.
3023, 69. And once we get into the climb schedule, just pulling the power in. And, well, actually, I don't have to pull the power back if you're going to climb to 10,000. As you can see, the manifold pressure's already come back from 30. It's already at 24. 23, actually. And it'll get down to right around 21.
We're going to 220 Foxtrot, Fayetteville approach, altimeter 3023. And rear contact,
about 2,000.
Climb and maintain 10,000.
This is going to be another sunset trip for us. What else is new? Seems that always when you're done with your business and have to travel back, it's the end of the day. So the other part about traveling in the fall, of course, is that it gets dark so much earlier.
November 509 Papa Mike, radar contact 6 miles west of Harnett County, altitude indicates 6,000, altitude yours correct.
For trips going up to DC or into Raleigh, you have to, basically the ATC is cleared through Sand Hills because there's an active area around Fayetteville for Fort Bragg, and it's almost always active. So you just have to take that loop around, get through this area. And so with that, I will see you guys on the other side of this sunset, because there's nothing much going to happen except going up to 10,000, level off, and that's about it. Well, this is kind of how it goes. We're out just over South Carolina, coming up toward Charleston on our left-hand side, and straight ahead is Savannah, and sun is setting, and it's just a wonderful time to be flying. It's just great, and talk about a time where you can just relax and taking a different perspective of the world. This is it. We're at 10,000 feet. We're cruising along at 170 knots or so. Our ground speed is about 160. We got a 40 knot crosswind that's slowing us down a bit. But we've got another hour and 50 minutes left in the flight. And right now we're burning on the ox fuel tanks. That's why those lights are on. And just enjoying the view and the time.